Look at all these carts. I don't think you broke it.
It doesn't turn left.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah, it happens all the time.
It's not like mine where it's not great. Yeah, I just kept running into a few walls and I cannot see anything. Well, we got a little car on this way, so. Glass coming in.
We got a rustler.
Here comes your little guy. There's a crate all the way over there. That's a little guy, right?
Ah!
They got one with a wheelie bar. I don't know if that wheelie, I don't know what the wheelie bar is up to, but I don't know.
I'm so distracted right now.
I don't know what the ones up with the wheelie bar. Oh, crane's catching you.
Yeah, I can't find a good straightaway. That's what my car is really better at.
Alright, here's where you're at.
But I also don't. Oh, yes!
Perfect. Now let's see if your wheels out of whack again.
Well, it's not as bad as your front wheels, I'll be honest. Oh, that's gonna hurt.
Oh,
hurt.
I think one of the body. Oh, yeah, right
Who
there.
put the tire there?
You want me to go move it?
Yes, please move it. Either off the track or back on the corner. Yeah, that kid in camo moved it earlier. And I got a new 5,000 battery while I got my hat, so I could go a long time now.
That thing can zoom though.
Full send, full send. Woo!
Green and slack already off the course.
Ah, there's so many cars around, I can't focus. Also, this hat is somewhat obstructing. Tango down. Tango down. I'd like to continue driving.
Yeah, if only mine wasn't broken, I'd be down here and ripping it tail. I checked down here twice already. I was like, there's no one here.
Yeah,
I
that.
come down here, I just come down here. I'm like, oh, there's a lot of these things now.
Yo, kid. Yeah, try to stay out of the way, kid. Sorry.
Red cat coming through. Surprisingly, like,
Oh, that's gonna hurt.
so whatever that is, literally the smallest one out of the entire group. Small little red cat.
I've also been practicing on this track a lot more.
Yeah, I was just down here.
Yeah, for you viewers, he was in one of the first videos with the little green truck that broke down.
Yeah. My, unfortunately, my volcano Chevy Mix.
Yeah. Move, little boy. Coming to get ya. Num num num. This red cat's ain't hungry. Num num num. Ah, I gotcha. Oh. 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 Tango down. Oh my. Yeah, move that car out of the way. Oh, sorry. What's up with That's better. Oh, I died. I died. Yeah, I died. But I got a new battery, so it's all good. Yeah, it's dead. I've been half throttling it the whole time. You don't notice.
Because that's our track. We don't have a track.
My school has a track, but I really want to take my car on it because it's one of those rubber ones.
Oh, yeah. All the tracks made out of rubber?
There's one track. Our school has
tracks
two.
Also made out of rubber.
Our school has two tracks. One that's mainly crushed stone, and then the other's rubber.
The Evoca track's made out of rubber. You think I can jump over an RC car?
Actually, while I was not filming, someone actually jumped me, like one of the really big ones.
No, like I'm saying, you think I can jump over.
I don't know. You want to find out?
Yeah.
I'm not responsible for if it hurts.
I think I can. I think that I can.
Whoa.
I should just stand in the
I'd prefer if you didn't mind because I'd be more understanding if you got hit by it.
Yeah, because I want to do it.
Yeah, with this video that would make four, yeah. What do you think? I think I'm gonna like upload these like every week, one each week. I have a bunch of other style videos coming out.
I was gonna post like a teaser online saying that I have a broken RC car. Well, I don't know what to call it yet because I haven't thought of a name for it because it's a mixture of two different things. So I might put a teaser down in my if I make a video about it.
Oh, oops, sorry.
Well, if you just want to say, I don't know what to call it because I haven't thought of a name. Dude,
well, what's the? Yeah, I hit a nasty jump earlier.
No, the slash got in.
Yeah. Oh, oops. I think I just messed that guy up on accident. Yeah, I also have the, oh, he jumped me. I also have the Red Cat version of that, which is also a blackout. Yeah, almost all the cars I own are Red Cat blackouts. Because they're sweet.
My dad has a CR.
I think this is the XTE, or one of them. This is either the XVE or TE that I'm driving right now. No, the BE is the Baja truck.
Yeah. And then my dad has another one that I don't know the name of.
Move! Uh-oh, it's coming for vengeance.
Uh-oh.
Run, run, run. Run, little Red Cat, run! Run, 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 run! Oh, that was clean.
I still jump in the car. I can still jump in it. Up.
Meow.
Up.
I need to stay focused on my car. Oh.
Yeah, I'll just call out whichever car. Here. Coming in.
I tried to help, but it didn't work.
Yeah. Unfortunately, nice guys.
Nice guys finish last. Every time.
Yeah. The nice guys, they always get something.
Oh, I am. Yeah, this track is really not big, doesn't have a big enough straightaway for, yeah, and the straightaway, and all the rest of the straightaways have jumps, so I can't get good speed without going airborne.
Yeah. I didn't even see your car.
What the? Oh yeah, there's the other car. It's over there. wonder why it's not on the track. Oh, saved it. Because I'm the boss. Oh!
I bring mine out. Oh!
Actually, if you want, you can go to my campsite and ask my dad for his car. Maybe.
Yeah,
Oh, dang. I think my steering might be busted again. Or something's broken. Something doesn't sound right.
well, looking at it, it just looks like this rear wheel. Yeah, right there. No, that's just the knuckle. Look at your wheel. It's kind of bent.
Oh!
What? Your wheel gone?
My wheel's gone.
Oh, dang. That sucks. That kind of sucks. No, it's not. Well, your drive shaft, it spins. Your wheel's just not spinning. How's that?
I'm in the same boat as you now. Great.
Yeah? How's broken? We got it down truck now.
That's great.